the best support I've ever dealt with in any company, anywhere, with anything.
Thank you for having an amazing, when I say an amazing support team. They're one of the best I've ever dealt with it with any company, not just in hosting, but overall.
They're always polite and willing to help.
Why I love this hosting company is that they have an awesome 24/7 support.
They're never condescending. They're never, we're right and you're wrong.
Whenever you raise a support ticket, you get a personalized response really, really fast.
The things that they have spent time helping us with were not even things that are a part of their description of services that they provide.
The most important thing here was blazing fast speed. They delivered on that. And then they backed it up with a fair price. I think it's more than fair. They could charge a little bit more, but I think the price is very fair. And I think the support is the best support from a web host I've ever seen by far, like not even close.
Contacting them on their chat system, they were immediately helpful, and they went the extra mile on times where I was like, okay, I'm just being an idiot here, and these guys are probably thinking that, but they're so cool not to tell me this, and they fixed all of my problems.
Every time I go to customer support, someone's there in the chat, they solve my problems 100% of the time. Extremely helpful, extremely patient. I haven't experienced that with many other companies.
Their customer service is wonderful. You can reach out to them 24/7. And the responses are almost instant.
My favorite part of WPX Hosting is their customer service. And so anytime that you pop online and have a question, they will respond within seconds and are more than happy to go above and beyond to solve your problem. That is absolutely amazing.
I use their live chat and someone answers me, it seems like within 10 seconds. Every time they've resolved it almost instantly.
Their customer service people get back to me almost instantaneously.
Their chat support is 24/7 and they respond immediately, courteously, very friendly, very helpful, never make you feel dumb about anything.
The chat, the people, whoever's on chat is unbelievable. Even the certain tech things that I don't know how to do and I don't think that they would be willing to do for me as a host, they're just like all over it.
Awesome service, great tech support.
Their support is amazing.
I've contacted their support at least 5 times, and with varying problems, and they get back to you really fast. Like, first of all, they're almost always online via chat. There's no, when you deal with DreamHost and HostGator, to get to live chat, first of all, you have to know your like billing password or something, which I never know. I know my cPanel login, but for some reason that's not enough. And then their support is minimally helpful usually. It's more like they're just redirecting you to the tutorials, or to actually get to the support technician who can answer it, you have to spend 10 minutes just waiting around and going through the channels. That is not the case with WPX Hosting, and you'll find this out if you go there.
They have been so helpful, and they always get back to me very quickly. They fix everything that has gone wrong, and when it's gone wrong, it's usually because I have messed something up.
I love the support.
The support is superb. WPX is a host you can trust, and the owner is really trustworthy, and he does put his name behind the site, and he just stands behind it 100%.
We highly recommend that you head over and check out the good folks at WPXHosting.com.
That is how you do customer service.
That is right. That's right.